Are you working like 40 plus hours a week and you're still living paycheck to paycheck or you're dealing with financial stress? Well, here's a simple side hustle that you can do, anybody can do. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone, in about 2 hours a day. And it's digital marketing with an online business. And you can earn up to $1,400 per sale, which means you only need 72 customers to make 100K, which is about six customers a month. And we teach you how to do this with a 2 hour workday. So you can do it around your schedule, 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. Of course, disclaimer, it's not a get rich quick scheme. I don't believe in those. Okay. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Like results aren't guaranteed. Nobody can guarantee results because nobody can see into the future, right? So everything is based on your effort. So, take action. Take action. Action takers are money makers. Just like I started this business, I made thousands of dollars because I took action, right? So if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. Now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. And I started this after my company cut my pay because I didn't want to get another job. So I had to make a decision, right? I was aware that I had a problem. Okay. The problem was I had a lack of time and money. Okay. And then I considered my options. Like, what do I want to do? And then I looked for other options, like outside of a job. And that's when I discovered this. And I just made a decision to start this. Okay. So let me just share this with you. Let me show you how it works. If you have any questions, just reply to my emails. Okay. So hold on. Let me just load some slides. I got some slides going on. So let me share my screen. All right. Let me do this one. Okay. Okay. And yeah, so here we go. All right. So let me just show you how this works. So basically, this is the automated income walkthrough. Okay. Now, this is the system that I found. This all-in-one digital business in a box. So how everyday people are building automated online income. Okay. And if you want to learn more, just go to wealthwithdan.com so you can check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. So you're in business for yourself, but never by yourself, right? So let me go to the next page. Okay. So let's clear the air. What this is not. If you've been burned out before this, if you've ever been burned out before trying all these other side hustles and then nothing worked for you, then this is for you. So this is not an MLM or a downline structure. You get to keep 100% of the profit here. You're not splitting your profits because it's not MLM, it's not affiliate marketing, okay? So it's not a get rich quick scheme. I don't believe in those. We don't teach you to bother friends and family. We don't teach you to cold message strangers. You don't have to get on the phone with people here. Okay. No tech skills, no following, no experience needed. You don't need a big following. Okay. This is not hustle culture in disguise. Like we teach a 2 hour workday so you can get your business activities, income earning activities finished in like 1 to 2 hours a day. Okay. This is a theory. This is not theory. Okay. This is not theory with no real system. This is a proven blueprint. Okay. A proven strategy that has worked for not only me, but thousands of other people inside of our community, has allowed other people to generate income outside of a job. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Now, the good part, what this is. Okay. This is a real digital business and a mentorship platform built for people with busy lives. It's a complete system, not just a course. Okay. There's live weekly mentoring and there's an active community to help you build your business. You're going to have your own digital business and we're going to train you how to build your business. Okay. There's a 2 hour daily workflow you can follow. You're going to learn how to build multiple income streams. Okay. And we teach you how to use AI. So there's AI automation running in the background, and it's designed to work for anyone, anywhere, anytime, any place. Okay. You're in business for yourself, never by yourself. Okay. So why most people struggle online? It's not you, it's the model. 4 reasons most people never make a dollar online. Okay. Number one, no clear offer. They post content but never sell anything. No offer, no income. Okay. So they're just posting content for fun, but they don't have any link. They don't have any website that people can go and buy something. That's the offer. The offer can be a product, an opportunity, or a service, digital product or a physical product. It can be your own offer or somebody else's. Okay. It doesn't matter as long as it's something that is in high demand, something that people are buying, right? So number two, they have no real audience. Strangers don't buy without trust. Okay. Without trust, every sale is an uphill battle. So how do you build trust with strangers? Through content, by posting content, by going live, by building an email list. That's how you build trust with strangers. Okay. That's why total strangers will buy from you, just like I made thousands of dollars and I've never even met any of these people. Okay. I never even talked to most of these people. The only time I communicate with people was like through my emails. Okay. Mostly. Sometimes on my lives. Okay. So Number three, no automation. People don't have automation. Every dollar requires another hour. The business owns them, not vice versa. If you have a job, it means you're exchanging time for money. Two fundamental ways to make money. One is you're an employee, which means you have a job. You're exchanging time for money. You're making other people rich. Who are you making rich? The business owner. The second type of person, the second way to make money is by being a business owner, an entrepreneur. And that's what you're going to learn how to do here. You're going to become a digital business owner, online entrepreneur. Okay. Number four, this is why people fail. No mentorship. Guessing alone is the slowest path to anywhere worthwhile. Yeah, you want to learn from people. Okay, it's just going to save you time and it's more fun. If you try to learn everything by yourself, it's just going to take longer and it's not as fun. So mentorship speeds up the process so you can get results faster. That's what we all want. We want results faster. That's what mentorship is for. Okay, so how we fixed it. What if you had every piece in the right order in one place? Okay, so what's the first one problem? No clear offer. We give you a proven offer with 100% profit built in. So you resell 5 digital programs, okay, 5 in English, 5 in Spanish. They sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. Digital programs in the e-learning industry, okay? That's what we sell, and they're proven to sell. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months, okay? So no real audience. We teach attraction marketing, no cold outreach needed. You don't have to bother friends and family. Don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to pay for ads. Okay. We teach you how to attract people by posting content on social media. Okay. No automation. It's a pre-built system, 0 monthly fees. Build your list. Okay. So we teach you how to, we give you a pre-built system, capture page, right? Thank you page. It's a sales funnel. Okay. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. And no mentorship. Well, we give you live weekly mentoring. You are never left guessing. Okay. So 4 problems, 1 integrated solution. That's what we have for you here, right? 3 pillars. Every successful online business has all 3. The blueprint, 1 clear offer, 1 2-hour workflow, and 3 automation. Okay. So the clear offer, up to 10 income streams where you keep 100% profit, plus you learn affiliate marketing, TikTok shop, recurring income, and more. Okay. The 2-hour workflow, get all your income producing activities done in 2 hours a day so your life stays yours. Okay. 3, automation, system runs while you live your life. No monthly fees. Build your email list automatically. This is how I made $1,400 in my sleep with the automations. Okay. Next one. Let's get clear. Okay. This is for you if you want freedom, not another hustle. Okay. You're ready to build something real. You value community and real support. You'll trade ego for a system that works. This isn't for you if you're chasing get rich quick. You want results without learning. You'd rather post your way to burnout. You're not willing to show up consistently. Okay. You got to be coachable. You got to be confident. And you got to be consistent. It's simple. All you need is your phone. You can build this business from your phone, posting content. This is basically what I do. I just touch my phone. I create little talking videos and I go like this. So the physical work is simple. The rest of it is just mindset. Believing in yourself, showing up consistently. Okay. Having a positive mental attitude. PMA. Okay. This is what the funnel looks like. Okay. Your capture page. This is your front door. A visitor lands here, enters their email, and enters your automated system. Okay. And then they trigger your automated email sequence. So they're going to get emails from you on a daily basis. No cold outreach, no chasing. Done for you, professional design. Build your email list automatically. We also give you the emails. Works 24/7, even while you sleep. No coding or tech skills needed. Okay. And then the next step 2, after they put their email in, okay, it's a thank you page. So once someone opts in, that means they put their email in, they're immediately directed to a short training video, which is this. It builds trust, it shows the system in action, and it warms them up before they see the offer. Okay. Instant video walkthrough shows the Freedom Formula blueprint, warms up cold leads before the offer, drives urgency and genuine curiosity. Okay. And then step 3, they go to the sales page. Okay. After the video, leads are directed to the sales page. The copy, design, and pitch are all done for you. You don't need to sell. The system does it on your behalf. Professionally written sales copy, full program showcase included, bilingual English and Spanish, 100% profit on every sale. So the sales page is where they can purchase one of the programs. Okay. And then, so it's one funnel done for you. You drive traffic. The system handles everything else. Driving traffic means you're sending people to your link. You're attracting people with other, like, see, there's 4 ways to, like, get leads, which are potential customers. There's 4 ways to drive traffic. You can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, and you can do free content. So we teach you free content. So you post the content, you drive traffic to your system, and the system does the rest. Capture page. Visitors enter email, list grows automatically. Thank you page. Instant video walkthrough builds trust and excitement. sales page. System presents the offer. 100% comes to you every time they purchase a program. Okay. You don't need to sell. The system sells for you. Okay. Now, a global movement. People are doing this all over the world. Okay. This community spans every continent. So you can get customers from any part of the world. You can also do this business from every part of the world. This is a screenshot from our community. Okay. You can see global business. We have people literally like all over the world. Okay. And yeah, here's some real people, real wins. These are real community posts, unfiltered. Results vary and are not guaranteed. Individual results depend on effort and consistency. So Logan, he made $2,600 in 4 days. Not bad for a dad. Lulama made 2,500 in under 5 days as a housewife. Okay, Charlene made $1,400 in one morning. Boom. There you go. And we have so many sales. We have countless sales. I mean, countless wins. We have so many wins in our community, testimonials. You can also share these wins when you're promoting your business because people like to see proof. People like to see testimonials, right? Okay, so that's it. That's the program. If you have any questions, just go to wealthwithdan.com. Okay, who am I? I am Dan, former overworked and underpaid employee, now building automated income online and helping others do the same. Okay, so my story, I know what it's like. I know what it's like to work hard and still feel stuck. I took a pay cut at a job I'd given everything to. That was my turning point. I tried multiple side hustles and failed. I spent more than I ever made until I found this system. Now I help everyday people build a real online income streams around their schedule so they can pay off debt, create freedom, and take their lives back. So thank you for watching. And if you have questions, yeah, just go to wealthwithdan.com, drop the questions in the comments, enter your email, check out the system, check out the business, and if you love it, get started. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, make sure you share this video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, share this video because there's a lot of people that are struggling with jobs, they're overworked and underpaid, and they're looking for a way out, and this is the way out. Okay. So just go to wealthwithdan.com, check it out, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. God bless.